In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Aliexpress like a pro using simple steps to find the best deals and trending products. Whether you're shopping for yourself, setting up a dropshipping business, or looking for gifts, knowing how to effectively search can save you both time and money. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Aliexpress website. If you type Aliexpress into your search engine, it should pop right up as one of the top results. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a wide variety of products and categories displayed, which can be a little overwhelming at first glance. But don't worry, I'll guide you on how to narrow down your options to make your shopping experience seamless. Next, you'll want to select a specific category that aligns with what you're interested in purchasing. Aliexpress offers a range of categories from electronics and fashion to home and garden, so you'll want to think about what product type you are primarily interested in. Click on the category that fits your criteria, and this will take you into a more refined selection of items. This is an important step because it helps to filter out millions of products, allowing you to focus only on what matters to you. Now, to find what items are truly popular and potentially worth your time and money, we're going to use the Sort By function on the page. In the top right corner of the category page, you'll see an option that says Sort By. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. You'll want to select Orders from the list of options. This is a key feature because sorting by orders can provide you with information on what products are in high demand. Essentially, this feature lets you observe the market trends within that category. This can be incredibly helpful whether you're looking to get the best-selling electronics or trending fashion items, as these products have been tried and tested by many customers before you. And just like that, you're done. You've now effectively learned how to navigate Aliexpress, choose a category that interests you, and sort by orders to find trends in that specific area. Remember, understanding the platform and its functions is crucial to a successful shopping experience, whether for personal use or business purposes. If you employ these steps, you'll be well equipped to find what's hot in the market quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on Aliexpress. Make sure to tune in for more tips